and welcome to my new Loncin 2000i inverter generator. Not had it long, and today I've just put the oil in it because it doesn't come shipped with oil. Made up with it. There's the control panel on the front, and I'm going to start it up. I've just put some fuel in it in the top, and you've got a fuel cut-off air supply valve here, so it's positioned to the on position. This goes over to choke for first time start. The on-off switch is to off, and we simply pull on the pull start. There we go. Not bad at all. UK plug. Reasonably quiet. Switch the on, and that goes right down now. It takes the noise right down. If that was running on a nice little campsite, it would be very, very unintrusive to anybody. And at the back there, that's where the muffler is. Excellent stuff. Let's just go and get something that I can power it up with, just to give it a test, purely for experimental purposes. Let's just see what I've got in here. I've got an old drill. Let's check that out, shall we? Bit hard holding the camera and everything else at the same time. Let's just give it a go. Drill's plugged in. As soon as you put a load on it, it just regulates itself, as you can hear. Time to switch it off. Down to that control knob. That's not bad at all, is it? The Loncin 2000i inverter generator, made in China, but from what I can see, equally as good as the Honda and similar Hyundai, Daewoo, etc, etc. Happy days. Love it. From Mark here in Liverpool, UK. Bye bye now.